GeoVax is pushing for, I believe, domestic manufacture. I mean, these are the kind of the global efforts that you're focused on with the legislators. Domestic manufacture of vaccines, and then also focus on multi-antigen vaccines. What are some of the other areas where there's receptivity to putting money behind efforts in the biotech space by the U.S. government, by the Congress?
We have found it's surprising, and sometimes it's a little bit disappointing and concerning, but legislators respond uh, very surprisingly when we point out to them, for instance, that the vaccine platform technology that we utilize, modified vaccinia ankara, known as MVA, there is not a single U.S. based contract manufacturer related to that technology. And
Mm.
when we point that out to legislative leaders, either on the Senate or in the House, they just simply are so surprised about that. And we point out that we have a multi antigen approach in vaccines, which is garnering a lot of attention now versus a few years ago. So people are understanding the importance of being able to integrate multiple antigens when they're developing vaccines against certain infectious diseases. It doesn't have to be done in every disease. Measles, you get vaccinated once, and over the rest of your lifetime, you're pretty much protected. No. But when you look at viruses such as SARS-CoV-2, COVID-19, look at HIV, you look at Mpox, you see continuous evolution of variants. And in those cases, that is where we really need to look at technologies that can utilize multiple antigens because it gives a broader, more robust type of protection, one in which the virus does not as easily escape, which means you reduce the number of times or frequency you have to reconfigure the vaccine, and it thereby yields greater durability for protection.